Ram Ram, Namaste. I'm Mrs. Reena Khari, a spiritual healer, a Vedic practitioner, Vedic astrology practitioner, and an empath. Empath, who can feel the pain, feelings, or desires of others. So, and I'm feeling blessed that I'm an empath. For for some time, we can be in trouble just because of our empathy, because there is a great difference between empathy and sympathy. But in this world, we only know sympathy. But slowly and gradually, we must learn that we are empath. So we just be uh, empath, and we can just feel empathy towards others. Why then? Only by this way we can heal ourselves and even heal others. Sympathy takes us to destruction only. So, today's topic is why are attachments. In last video, we have talked about uh, attachments uh, must not be in real life. So, because attachment leads to destruction, then the question arises, why are attachments here? So there are few reasons behind it, and I will try to put out one or two or three points against it. So uh, Hindi English mix hai, because when I will feel that some point I am not able to explain properly, or not able to feeling, uh, able to give the feeling or meaning to that point, then I will speak in Hindi. Okay, till then I will speak in English. So first reason why attachments are existing, according to me, is just because of our incomplete desires and over expectations to others. Why it is? देखो, everyone has a goal to focus in their life since their childhood, but we came to know about what is our life's goal maybe later on, but something or the other we are searching since our childhood. Okay, so if we are focused one thing, that I want this, then obviously we have to leave all other pleasures, all other things about that. And before the present, in past era, I was also not aware of that, because I was also like all the people. Because if we are living in this world, we are uh, uh, getting conditioning from our parents, from outward world, and just because of that conditioning, we are also doing the same things as other people are doing, until and unless we learn that we are a spiritual healer, we are different, slowly and slightly different from others. And our understanding is also different from others. So then we will be able to understand that what ability we have, uh, um, which is different from others, and which by which we can help the other. So that's like other people, I was also doing the same thing, that if I'm focusing on one thing, then we have to leave all other desires and pleasures of the world. But sometimes when we look at the other people who are living their life happily, they are taking all worldly pleasures, and even they have achieved. Sometimes we think that they have achieved, but slowly and gradually we came to understand that they didn't have any mean with that job or profession which they are doing. They are just doing it because their livelihood, because they want to keep that they have something for getting money, earning money, and they get the opportunity to do that profession, so they are doing. So it means their duty or profession is not connected with their heart, their soul. So but as we were doing, uh, I was doing everything. As a teacher, I did my job. as a homemaker and as a singer. Many things I did, but I was not getting satisfaction, because satisfaction is only we can get from our soul when we are doing all the things by our soul. So but when I was focusing on a job as a teacher, you can think, so I have to leave all the worldly pleasures, because all the people who are living at home, they are enjoying all the parties, they are doing happy matlab meetings with the other people, and I was lacking all that. I was always thinking that I'm just doing my duties, responsibilities, and I don't have any fun, I don't have any pleasure in my life. And just because of my duties, I have to leave all the pleasures, and I was feeling something missing, something lack in my life. Although I have everything, still I was feeling so much missing about that. And I was thinking that perhaps I have all those things. So these things created an attachment or incomplete feeling of desires within me, which creates a type of trauma and uh, what can I say, डेड फीलिंग, यू कैन से। और मतलब आप ये कह सकते हो कि इससे मेरे अंदर एक चीज़ उत्पन्न हुई कि मुझे ऐसा लगा जैसे सब कुछ होते हुए भी आई डोंट हैव एनी थिंग एंड आई एम नॉट हैप्पी। आई वॉज अर्निंग मनी, आई हैव ए मतलब फैमिली विच आई वॉन्ट, बट स्टिल आई एम नॉट हैप्पी। सो जब हम किसी एक चीज़ पे फोकस करते हैं और हमें लगता है कि बाकी सब चीज़ें हमें उसके लिए छोड़नी ही पड़ेंगी और हम छोड़ के बैठे हुए होते हैं, तो धीरे धीरे जो चीज़ें हमने छोड़ी हैं, दे क्रिएटेड दैट पेन इन आवर हार्ट, एंड वी स्टार्ट टू फील दैट we are not happy. So it create attachments to the people who are enjoying that life. We want that we must be with them, we should also enjoy with them, and we think that only we get all these things from them. And सब कुछ होते हुए भी हमें लगता है कि बस उन लोगों की कमी है, हमें उन लोगों की पार्टी में जाना पड़ेगा, उन लोगों के साथ ही हम खुश हो सकते हैं। तो एंड see the other side of the coin, if you want to see the other side of the coin, when I left my job and I went on in that meeting or in that party of the people which I was thinking that they were enjoying in their party, I came to understand that they were thinking that I'm enjoying my life and they are in loss. They are just doing simple things, they are just मतलब running their time, passing their time talking with each others, but I was enjoying my life. मतलब they think, ये देखो what is the harsh reality of this life or this world, कि मुझे लगता है सामने वाला खुश है और सामने वाले को लगता है कि मैं बहुत खुश हूँ। मीन्स नो वन इज़ हैप्पी विद इन themselves, because they are not doing anything by their soul. They are just doing all these things just because world is like that. So first reason is that we are not doing anything with our soul. We are just doing worldly world, we are just doing for materialistic world. That's why attachments are here, because if I'm not satisfied, then I need someone else to satisfy me. That's that attachment. And second point, कि what's the second point? Secondly, desires from others. देखो, I have 100% of my energy. Obviously, I know that I have. And but I don't have a word no, because I think all the people are mine. All the people are mine. I'm empath, and empath just want to make this world beautiful and happy for all, for myself also, but for all others. And always try to make everyone happy, happy, happy. And what is happening during all this? Everyone is coming and giving their desires or their expectations to me. Please do this for me, please do that for me. When my children will come, they will ask me, mama, please do this for me. When my husband came, he will say, please do this for me. And please hardly expect please, just do this. Okay, okay, someone else will come, please help me, and I was always doing helping the others. And what is happening, I have depleted my 90% energy just because of completing others desires complete. And what about me, when I came to it's my turn, and I देखो, when I give my 90% energy to others, then obviously I will demand in return that at least 50% I will get back, but I can't back. Means when it is always happen with an empath, it always happens with an empath, because empath wants to make this world beautiful and happy for all. So they are trying to make everyone happy, but everyone wants their own happiness from us. So how can they make us happy? हिंदी में बोल रही हूँ ताकि ज़्यादा फील हो, सच लगे आपको, कि आप भिखारी से क्या उम्मीद कर सकते हो, जो पहले ही भीख का कटोरा आपके सामने लिए खड़ा है? क्या आप उससे उम्मीद कर सकते हो कि उसको अगर आपने 10 रुपये भी दे दिए तो आप उससे उम्मीद कर सकते हो कि जब आपको 10 रुपये की ज़रूरत पड़ेगी तो वो आपको दे देगा? नहीं। जो भिखारी है उसका माइंड सेट ही भिखारी है, वो करोड़पति भी हो जाए ना तो भी उसे लगेगा कि वो भिखारी ही है। सो नो वन कैन गिव यू इवन देयर 10% ऑफ एनर्जी। I am talking about just 50% when I am giving 90%, but I didn't get even 10% from them. So what it creates? A trauma within me. uh, I can say, इसे आप कह सकते हो कि एक दुख भरी सिचुएशन, और मतलब लॉस ही है एक तरह से ये। और मतलब मेरे अंदर वो कि मेरा मूड ऑफ हो जाए उस चीज़ से, लो वाइब्रेशनल फीलिंग्स यू कैन स्टार्ट टू फील। यू जस्ट थिंक दैट यू आर नॉट एबल टू get all those things that you don't deserve. You feel that you are worthless, even you are doing everything for others and you are able to do that, but all the people will made you feel that you are worthless. They are valuable, they are worthy, that's why you were doing everything for them, and they don't think that you are doing for them. They think that they have that power which is making you on work. So if you very well know that you have to do your work yourself, no one can do it. And देखो, few tasks are even normal for everyone, common means if I have 2 3 ladies in my family and I know how to cook, how to make a tea, how to clean the house, everything I know. So all ladies also know all these things, but they can only make you do for do all that work. But when you will ask that I need your help, they don't have any time, even they don't have any energy, and if they have, they will show you that they don't have. Okay, so no opportunity, no chance for their doing any work for you, for any help to you. So if I know that I have to do my own work myself, and even after 90% battery I have given of myself to them, then I just left with 10%. And with this 10%, my own goals, my own soul purpose, my own life's goal, it is only I can do. So, what's the need I have to do all that 90% work for all the people? If no one is ready to do anything for me, what need I have to do anything or everything for them, and later I will expect from them and I get only negative vibrations? I will only get the negative. So, what's the benefit? So, it's better that I should do my own work by myself. I must be self independent, because कहते हैं ना, फाइनली इट्स माई वर्क टू डू माई सोल पर्पस, टू डू माई सोल्स डिज़ायर कंप्लीट. सो डू लिटिल as you can afford, Do as you can afford for the others, and in return if you get something positive, good, and if you are not getting, then also good. So just do little, and you always need to have your no with you. When you think that you are not getting any positivity from outside, you are not getting any positive response in return of your work for them, then leave it. जब आपको पता चल जाता है कि सामने वाला आपको कोई पॉजिटिव रिस्पॉन्स दे नहीं रहा, दे हैव नो रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी टुवार्ड्स यू, दे डोंट हैव एनी कमिटमेंट टुवार्ड्स यू, मीन्स अगर आपने कह दिया कि भाई देखो आई एम डूइंग दिस वर्क फॉर यू एंड आई नीड योर हेल्प इन दिस वर्क, सो मतलब विल यू हेल्प मी, एंड देयर आंसर इज नो, डोंट डू और डोंट डू, आई विल नॉट हेल्प यू, सो लीव इट, better choice. Don't give a chance that maybe they can help me. No, they can't. जितना हम कर सकते हैं, they can't do that, because they are living in selfish world. And in this selfish world, all people are not selfish. I'm not saying that all the people are selfish, but the person who is not have any responsibility towards me, who has no commitment towards me, although I am doing many things for them, so they are selfish. So just leave. Do as much as you can do happily, बस. सो अपनी जो सेल्फ वर्क्स होते हैं, सेल्फ नीड होती है, उसको प्रायोरिटी दीजिए. एंड इन एस्ट्रोलॉजी ऑल्सो, सबसे पहले गिव वैल्यू टू योर सेल्फ, गिव वैल्यू टू योर टाइम इज ऑल्सो प्रीशियस, योर एनर्जी इज ऑल्सो प्रीशियस. You are a spiritual healer, and spiritual healers, they have a great task on their shoulders to heal the people. But you can only heal the people who are ready to heal, who wants that they have something which is wrong in them, which is making them and living in pain. So they are only be able to heal. But all the people, if they think that they are right, they don't have any problem with their lives, then we can't heal them. We can only heal the people who are ready to give positive exchange of energy. Positive exchange of energy means they will value our energies as well as they value their energies. If we are making any service for them, then service charges apply. And if they are ready to pay all those charges which our services are applying, then they are ready, and then also we are ready to heal them. So we can only heal the people who are ready to heal. So don't waste your time on other people. Be self dependent and give your precious time to your sole purpose. So as well as attachments will leave if you will be self independent. Okay, so in astrology also, sorry, self dependent, in astrology also, the combination of Guru and Ketu, like an empath, because Guru and Ketu means who doesn't have their his mind. So if someone has no mind, then he or she will work at their heart. So Guru will say do this, and जो स्टूडेंट है, he will answer yes okay sir, yes okay sir, I will do. And what will he left with? Only negative energy, because he doesn't have his mind na. He will always think that everyone like his guru, everyone will come order him, and he will start to complete their order, but getting nothing. And second combination is of Guru Rahu, which is called Guru Chandal Dosh. But I came to understand that it is good for the person in whose kundli it is exists. How? Because Rahu has mind, and Guru means Guru. So if someone or Guru, ठीक है, I'm talking about all the people here. If someone or his guru asks him to do something, he or she, they will use their mind. They will ask his guru, even his guru, other people are on other side. Even if his guru asks him to do something, he or she will ask proper logic behind that order. And if they understand that logic is properly right, then they will follow that uh, rule, or they will complete that order. So that's good for the person or the jatak in which kundli is its combination is. सो आई थिंक आपको ये चीज़ समझ में आई होगी कि अगर हमें अटैचमेंट से बचना है तो अपनी डिज़ायर्स के लिए खुद पे डिपेंड रहो। दूसरे जितनी आपकी पूरी कर सकते हैं डिज़ायर्स को, इच्छाओं को, या हेल्प कर सकते हैं, उतने में सेटिस्फाई रहिए। जितनी उम्मीद हो सकती है वो खुद से कीजिए, और दूसरों के लिए ज़्यादा मत करिए। अगर हमें लगता है ना दूसरे दुखी हैं दुखी हैं दुखी हैं, जैसे परमात्मा अगर हमें लगता है कि हमारे साथ न्याय कर रहे हैं, तो बी कॉन्फिडेंट कि परमात्मा सबके साथ ही न्याय करते हैं। जैसी दूसरे की इच्छा होती है, जैसा उसका कर्म होता है, वैसा ही उसको फल मिलता रहता है। असल में लोग यहाँ दुखी नहीं हैं, वो दुखी होने से डरे हुए हैं। मैं भी थी, मैं भी दुखी होने से डरी हुई थी, और जब तक डरी हुई थी तब तक आई वॉज पावरलेस। बट वेन आई एक्सेप्ट माई पेन, देन आई वॉज powered by my all spiritual knowledge, wisdom and powers. So दुख में कहते हैं नो पेन नो गेन। जब आप अपने दुख को एक्सेप्ट कर लेते हो तो आपका वही दुख, वही अकेलापन आपकी पावर बन जाता है। और वही पावर तो चाहिए, तो डरना नहीं है। अपनी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी खुद लीजिए, और अपना वैल्यूएबल टाइम केवल उन लोगों को दीजिए जो आपके टाइम की वैल्यू करते हैं, जो आपकी पॉजिटिव एनर्जी की वैल्यू करते हैं, जो आपके विजडम की वैल्यू करते हैं। सो सेफ हेल्दी, विंटर में अपनी हेल्थ का ध्यान रखिए। स्टे सेफ एंड स्टे हेल्दी। थैंक यू सो मच। लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब।